AI agents are finally useful, but they're still not autonomous workers. METR's data is brutal. Today's top agents are strong on short loops and shaky once the work stretches into hours. That is the whole thesis of this video. Useful on bounded tasks, fragile on open-ended autonomy. For 2 years, the pitch was always the same. Your next employee would be a swarm of AI agents. The mistake was simple. We confused a cool demo with a process you can trust every day. And that is why the right question is no longer, can it demo, but can I leave it alone? What changed in 2025 is not magic. It is access, browsers, tools, files, and real interfaces. OpenAI's operator made the point obvious. An agent is useful when it can type, click, scroll, and ask for help on sensitive steps. And the second unlock is context. Once the model touches GitHub, Slack, Drive, or Postgres, it stops guessing in a vacuum. That is exactly why MCP matters. A common pipe into the tools where the work actually lives. The clearest real market is code. Anthropic says software engineering is already nearly half of observed agentic activity. That makes sense. Repos, tests, logs, and diffs create the kind of tight feedback loop agents need. And power users are not treating these tools like chat. They supervise exceptions, not every click. That is the mature use case. Bounded work, visible outputs, and a human who only jumps in when the agent gets weird. When the loop is tight, agents feel great. Bug, test, diff, repeat. The same logic works in browser ops and research. Gather, compare, prepare, then let a human validate the last mile. But stretch the task, hide the context, add exceptions, and the whole magic trick collapses fast. METR gives the cleanest version of the limit, almost 100% on tasks under 4 minutes, below 10% around 4 hours. And browser use is still early. The best models can navigate interfaces, but they are nowhere near human fluency. Anthropic's own benchmark write-up says it plainly. 14.9% on OS World versus roughly 70 to 75% for humans. So the hidden price is not just model cost, it is verification. The longer and riskier the task, the more human attention you buy back. That leads to a simple test. B.O.R.S. Bounded, observable, reversible, structured. If a task fails that test, do not call it autonomy. Call it expensive supervision. So yes, agents are useful now. They are just not general employees yet. If you want the practical workflows next, subscribe.